Hi, good morning. Good morning, student. See, today we have to learn about the cell structure and functions. What is the cell? See, if we have to see the each and every organisms made from cells only. Okay? See, that's why it is a fundamental unit of life, basic unit of life. We are calling the cells. Now, see, it is a cells introduction already completed. See, we have to learn the parts of cells. What parts is present in that cells? Is a need to that parts to that cells. See, what is the important of each and every organelles in the cells? We have to learn today in this session. See, each cell has a number of smaller parts. See, each cell has a number of smaller parts in it. See, each cell has a number of parts in it. Each cell has a number of parts in it. Okay. Next, some of the parts are present in all types of cells. Some of the parts are present in all types of cells, like plant cell as well as animal cell. Like plant cells as well as animal cell. Okay, next what said, but certain parts are found only in plant cells. Certain parts are present in only plant cells. Present in plant cells. See, like we have to see the vacuole. Vacuole is present in plant cells. Chloroplast present in plant cells. Say, these are some present in plant cells. See, some not present in animal cells. Say, the important basic part of the cells are, see, we have to see the cell membrane and cytoplasm. See, what is present here? Cell membrane is there, cytoplasm is there. Next, we have to see the chloroplast is there, vacuole is there. See this line. Next, we have to see the plant cells. Only, so it is a cytoplasm. So it is a cell wall is present in the, see, it is a plasma membrane. See, cell wall is present only plant cells. See, we have to differentiate between the plant cell and animal cells also. So it is a chloroplast. Vacuole is present in animal cell. It is a small, but vacuole is present in plant cell per it is a large. See this like cell wall is present in plant cell because it will be giving to the mechanical strength to that part, that plant body. So it is a required. Next we have to see the plasma membrane. Cell organelles. See, we have to discuss about in this lesson. See, first one is a plasma membrane is there. Plasma membrane. Okay, in this plasma membrane, see, at your home, you have to do activity. You have to take the onion and cut the onion. Okay, after cut, what will happen? A transparent layer is present on the onion. We have to observe the plasma membrane is a transparent material, is the transparent. Next we have to do the activity. We have to take a spoon and a toothpick and we have to scratch inner side of the chick. Take the chick cell along with the saliva. We have to add to the on slide. We have to observe under the microscope. See, we can see the easily plasma membrane and see inside the nucleus also. See, is there in your book? You have to do this activity. See this like cells is there, chick cells. See this like cells is there, inside a nucleus is there. See, this is a plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is a protecting to the our cells. This plasma membrane allowing the selectively permeable membrane, permeable membrane and semi-permeable membrane. See, we have to see the selected material is a entering into the inside and going to the outside, in and out. See, so many is a gases is a diffusing here. What may preparing inside the food substances through a plasma membrane is sending to the another cells. See, here is a plasma membrane is a protecting layer. It is a selectively permeable membrane. Which substances is allowing inside or which substances we have to pass to the another cell. The plasma membrane is playing the important role in the cell. Plasma membrane. Next we have to see the cytoplasm also is there. Cytoplasm. Next one is a cytoplasm. A liquid like substances is present. See, here is a, say this one is a, first one is a plasma membrane. See, this is a plasma membrane and inside is a liquid like substances is there. We are calling that is cytoplasm. See, this like cytoplasm. In the cytoplasm, it is a so many organelles is embedded in a cytoplasm. This cytoplasm is a playing a important role. So many nutrient dissolves also present in the cytoplasm. This cytoplasm is a exchanging of the substances from one cell to another. This cytoplasm is a very important. Next we have to learn about the nucleus. What is the nucleus? Nucleus is present in the cell. See, this is a nucleus. Control center of the cell. Say, here is a controlling the nucleus. See, this nucleus is a controlling the all cells. Is a regulating to the cells. See, all organelles per is a regulating here nucleus. See, for example, we have to see the nucleus. Okay, inside the nucleus, a nuclear membrane also is there. It is separating from the, see this like nuclear membrane. Nuclear membrane is a separating to the cytoplasm. Okay. See, we are calling the, this is a nuclear membrane. membrane. See this one, nucleopore. Inside is there nucleoplasm. Okay, nucleolus. Okay, see here is a DNA synthesizing inside the nucleus. See, nucleus control the all the activities of the cell. Next we have to see the nucleus control. Nucleus contain the thread-like structure called the chromosomes. Here is a thread-like structures is there. We are calling the chromosomes. See this like. See this like chromosomes is there. See we have to see the this like is there, and this like. See this like. We are calling the chromosomes. See this like. See, this is a chromosomes. Thread-like structure is there. We are calling the chromosomes. Next, we have to see the nucleus contain. Nucleus, the function of the chromosomes is the transfer of characters. See, their character is a transferring from one generation to another generation. See, we have to see that here. See, characters is a transferring. We are calling the inheritance. What is the inheritance? I am getting this like character from our grandfather, grandmother, uncle. See, we are getting this like characters. We have to see the here chromosomes is there. See this like. See this like is a DNA is there. See here is a genes is present. See genes is a present. See this like. Okay. In this DNA, for example, see this is a deciding the eye color. We have to see the eye color. Say some members eye color is a blue color is there. Say black retinas their color. We have to see the eye color. See it is a getting their child. The characters is a getting from parent to progeny. We are calling. See this color, this skin color I am getting from my father. See this eye color I am getting from a mother. This hair structure. See hair also is there na, and curly hair. Some members hairs is a curly hair is there. The hair also getting from our ancestors. See this line. So many deep is there. Gene is the unit of inheritance in living organisms. See all the living matter is cell is called the cytoplasm. It is a cytoplasm. Nucleoplasm also present inside the cell. Next we have to see the most of the protoplasm is made of the compounds like only for the it is a elements carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. It is a contained. See here is a DNA completing. DNA converted into mRNA. See here is a DNA is there. DNA converted into mRNA. See mRNA is a coming along through a nucleopore. So it is a nucleopore is there. See here to mRNA coming to the here see cytoplasm. mRNA synthesizing the proteins. Proteins is a synthesizing here. See this like DNA. See we have to see the our blood has a nucleus. No, our blood doesn't have a nucleus. See this like carrying the information from one generation to next generation. We are calling this is a nucleus. See, most of the nucleus contain it is a proteins and carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals also present in this nucleus. See, if you go to the in higher classes, we can learn more about the this nucleus. It is a very important. Next we have to learn the mitochondria. Mitochondria for we are calling the powerhouses of the cell. Mitochondria. See, this is a mitochondria. Mitochondria has a oval shape. Okay, this like shape is there. See, inside the mitochondria, see this like mitochondria is there. Inside the mitochondria has a outer cell, outer membrane, and inner membrane, and inside the deep fold is there cristae, and here is a synthesizing the energy. ATP energy is a F1 cells. See this like here is a synthesizing the ATP. See, ATP is a synthesis. Adenosine triphosphate. ATP means adenosine triphosphate. See, this is a adenosine triphosphate. Here is a energy is a synthesizing. That's why we are calling the mitochondria for. So it is a energy currency. Energy currency. Rod shaped organelles. It is a glucose oxygen produced here. See, use of glucose and oxygen produced for energy. That's why we are calling the mitochondria is a powerhouses of cell. Mitochondria for calling the powerhouses of cells. See this like mitochondria for calling. Mitochondria is a producing the energy. This mitochondria.